Let's see. Yes, we are back. Hold on. Stream went down. All right. I switched the internet, so let's see if that works. Redo, stream went down. Okay. Tweet, view. Everything else works perfectly fine. I think it might, I don't know what was going on. But I just switched the internet, so hopefully that helps. Switched it to the 5G. That's super annoying though. But it's okay. You guys just have to like it again. It's okay. It's okay. We're back. Let's see. Let me know when done. Cool. Okay. Now, I think we're good to go. If the stream goes out again, that would be a little upset. Anyways, so doing analysis on ES real quick, and then we're going to head on over to SPY, daily demand. Good morning, everybody. Again, I switched on over to the 5G. Daily demand right here. Nice little demand zone right here. What's today's date? 2/24. Again, I'm going to give you guys the link here in a minute. Once everything's done on Jadon's side, you guys will be getting the discount for Team Bull. More HSL 69 as always. Beautiful. Okay, so I would be very interested if we dipped on down to this level for a possible bounce. Only if we end up breaking below this low right here. So yesterday's low at that 397 or 3974.25, we could then come down and start seeing this demand down here. That's going over to a 4-hour time frame. I don't see any other demand that we could possibly use down in this 4-hour zone right here. Let's break it down to a 3-hour. Again, right after ES, we're going to go on over to SPY because I know you guys love your SPY levels. This 3-hour zone still hasn't broke, but personally, I'm not going to use it. It's hit it too much. So not really interested. Let's break it down to a 2-hour. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Again, sorry I had to redo the live stream, but again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. But as far as, let's see, 2-hour demand, I don't really see much. Let's see if we see any over here. I mean, yes, this is a better zone. It's a larger zone. I mean, there's probably algos around the fibs. I mean, this is a larger zone. We did bounce off of it yesterday. I'm gonna put a question mark on this zone right here. Oh, too bright. Like button push. Let's go. Again, I got Team Bull discounts for the ones who are not in Team Bull yet. It is going to be the largest discount of the year. So stick around. 2-hour demand on the right. Cool. Let's see. Let's name this bottom of 2-hour demand. Bottom 2-hour demand. So we know good morning. And then we're going to start looking for supply here in a minute. I'm just looking for the demand, then we'll look for supply. All right, no good. Demand. Yes, we will still be running the zooms. Absolutely. All right, so nothing 30. Let's see if we form, or I feel like we did have a level down here. Might just be on a weird time frame, like maybe a 20-minute. Because here's our drop-based rally. I just don't see, it might be like a 10 or 5-minute zone. Yeah, there's got to be a zone, and I don't know. But this is the area that I'm interested in. Let me see if we have a fib. I'm pretty sure we broke the, yeah, we broke the 61.8 overnight. Perfect. Good morning, everybody. All righty. I got the codes, so be ready. Gonna drop them here in 5 minutes. I'll drop the codes for you guys. But let's zoom back out. Let's start looking for some possible supply zones. We came down and we are bouncing off of the top of that 2-hour demand. So keep that in mind. Right now, this is a higher low. We do have PCE coming. Oh, okay. All right. At the end of the stream, I'm dropping the codes. The end. Anyway, so we are setting this higher low compared to this one right here. It's going to depend on PCE. If we start coming back up, then we are obviously going to look for rejects. We have a 4-hour zone way up here. If we started trading up into the zone, I would be interested. So this is a very tiny, tiny, tiny zone that we could actually use as a pretty small risk to get short. So, hold on. Again, at the end of the stream, I got the discounts. 4-hour supply. Show on the right. Beautiful. There we go. It's literally that small. Yeah, how about no codes until we get 200 likes? That's a good idea, Chuck. 200 likes and you guys get the discount codes. But yeah, we do have PCE here in 8 minutes. And let me also let everybody know that I am dropping Team Bull discount codes on stream. Let me let everybody on Twitter know. Yeah, I personally wouldn't have swung calls. We're in a really weird zone for spying QQQ. Team Bull, the Discord. There we go. Let everybody on Twitter know. But yeah, so I like that 2-hour demand zone. If we can hold it, again, we got PCE here in 7 minutes. 4-hour, I mean, just look at this choppiness, guys. Look at how choppy we've been. It's hard to trade markets like this. Let's see. Boom. 4-hour. Again, we had that supply way up there, but I don't see anything in this range that I'm interested in. Let's break it down to a 3-hour. What's up? Trust me, I got a good amount of them. Good amount of discounts. I like this area too. This is a very small body candle. 40.15. Let's see what it looks like on a 2-hour. Yeah, it looks better on a 2-hour as well. And then let's see. Also like it on the 1-hour. So hold on, what was that on the 3-hour we saw it? 3-hour. Beautiful. Okay, I do like this zone for a possible reject. 40.15, 40.15, 40.19. So that is everything for ES. We also have this zone right here that we could potentially watch. I'm going to get rid of this 50% fib. But we could also watch this 30-minute zone at 407 or 4007 to 4011. But let's head on over to SPY. I'm going to give you guys the analysis on that. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 222 people in here, 93 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list, you got to run it up to 200 likes. Thank you for the subscribe, by the way. So now, looking at SPY. We bounced right off of that 50% fib yesterday at 396.54. That was in Wednesday's video, I believe. So if you guys caught that, congratulations. Absolutely printed. I personally did not catch it. I was not around. But yeah, we literally bounced right off of that level at 396.54. So if I am going to be bearish, I want to see us break below yesterday's low. So 396.25. Yes, mile high trading. Just depends on the one. You'll have to tell me the whole email. But yeah, we got to crack 396.25 if I'm going to be bearish today. As of now, it looks like we're setting a higher low. But again, we have PCE here in 4 minutes. Let me pull up the economic calendar so you guys got it. Economic calendar, market watch, boom. So, what is today? The 24th. PCE, core PCE, 830, personal income, consumer spending. All of this is going to be super important. Then going into 10 o'clock, new home sales, consumer sentiment, very important. Then we have a bunch of Fed speakers today, a ridiculous amount of Fed speakers. Yeah, again, I'm gonna get you guys in Team Bull today. I got the discounts. I got them on lock. Just make sure you guys stick around, and I will give them. But yeah, we saw a pretty big reaction off of this level yesterday. Let's zoom out to the daily. That's, I mean, the main area. We cracked below there. We got a good chance of dropping down to here. I'm voice cracking all the time now. Let's see, 4 hour. I don't think we have any good fibs on the 4 hour. Yeah, we already broke that 61.8. That's no longer valid. So really the only two good fibs I have are here. These two right here. And then as far as rejects, we're going to look once the market chooses a direction. Nice 2 hour squeeze. We're just sitting here doing nothing but chop. Where'd we close yesterday? Closed right there. Honestly, would be interested if we did get a pump up into 400.6. Yesterday, close. Boom. Alrighty. Let's see. 1 minute 30 seconds until the news. Once we get the news, that is when we'll start doing more analysis. You want to do a poll? Let's do it. Start a poll. What will the market do today? Pump. Dump. And for the ones who are tuning in, keep in mind, I got discount codes to join Team Bull. If you guys are not in Team Bull, make sure you guys do stick around for the entire stream, and I will be letting them loose towards the end. So be ready. Biggest discount of the year. I mean, it's too choppy for me to consider it. I mean, look, this looks like a Patrick the Star inverse head and shoulders. Look, literally, if you flipped his head upside down, that is exactly what we are looking at right now. That's what this inverse head and shoulders looks like. Look at how skinny his head is. Look at how skinny the head is here. So, yeah, I see it. It's just an ugly inverse head and shoulders is what I would call it. But hey. All right, we got 1 second. Let's get the news. Are we going to drop? Pump or dump? Pump or dump? We break the level, we go lower. Right off the 50% fib again. Bounced right off. Hold on, I'm getting the numbers for you guys. Getting the numbers. Come on. Why do I not have the numbers yet? Come on now. There we are. Consumer spending month over month 1.8, forecast 1.4. Personal income 0.6%, forecast 1%, previous 0.2%. There it is. Okay. Core PCE price index month over month 0.6%, forecast 0.4%, previous 0.3%. US core PCE index year over year 4.7 with like 5 zeros, 4%, forecast 4.3, previous 4.4. PCE price index year over year actual 5.4, forecast 5.6, previous. All right, cool. So let me take an actual look at these numbers real quick. Yes, I got the jokes this morning. All right, so this one higher than the forecast, previous, higher than the forecast, higher than the previous, higher, the same. Less. Okay, let's see how we react. Honestly, if we get a nice drop, I'd be interested in the tick roll this morning. We'll talk about the tick roll here in a minute. Cool. Let's do this. Let's find these levels. Spy QQQ. Again, if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 300 people in here, 120 likes. As you guys know, 200 likes is the goal. All right, so I want to see if we can hold this level. Tick roll. Honestly, the tick roll and the data strategy, they're the same exact thing. There's no difference. Tick roll is in play on SPY today. If we can hold down near the lows, or set a new low in pre-market. Again, what the tick rule is, basically we get news, we look at the tick, the NYSE tick right here. What we are looking for is for the market to, in today's scenario, we're going to see it get a negative tick, right? When the market opens, the tick is either going, it's going to be somewhere, you know, obviously it's going to be somewhere in between here. But what I'm looking for based off of news events is either a large gap up or a large gap down based off of news. So if we go to yesterday, right, we opened at 1478. That is not normal for the tick. More than likely, the market is going to pull and get us back to zero. That is what the tick rule is. So if we open up today, like if we continue to drop right now, and we open down at like negative 1500, negative 1600, negative 1700, then there's a good possibility that we push to the upside and we can take advantage of that. So that's my tick rule. That's something I've been using for a while. Got videos on it as well if you guys want to check it out. So definitely going to be watching that. QQQ is back in its daily demand. So let's go back on over to SPY. Again, I got the discount codes for you guys. Just stay patient. But yeah, so ideally around 396.13 is what I am interested in. I'll break down. Does that make sense for the tick rule, everybody? It's very straightforward, very simple. On the dump off of news, we look for a negative tick, negative 1500, negative 1600, negative 1700, etc. The lower it is, the better it is, in my opinion, for news. But we do have to like hold in this range. That would be ideal. So let's head back on over to ES here real quick. We're coming down. We might honestly break below here. So my main bounce area today on ES, 3948.9. If we get down there. So cool. I mean, that's pretty much it. We got 30 minutes supply, possible 30-minute supply. We'll see how we trade at that area. 50% fib. We're breaking below it. Get rid of it. Boom. Yes. We'll get to QQQ here in a second. Yes. if the market does drop today, I am very interested in a potential bounce around 39.50 to 39.45. I will be looking for rejects to the upside as well. Cool. All right, so there's ES. Let's head on over to SPY. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Once we hit those 200 likes and we get towards the end, I'm dropping the discount for you guys. Oh yeah, if we keep dropping here, $TICK. The lower we go, the better for this. Whoops. What are we trading at? 396, 395 obviously is a good level to watch as well. So we'll watch that. 395. That was not right. There we go. 395. Boom. Good watch for a potential bounce down there. Depending on if we actually like drop a decent bit, we could watch yesterday's low as well. Let's get rid of this level right here. Yesterday low. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Okay. Messing it up today. Cool. Yesterday low 396.25, 395. I mean, I really do not have any support until 395, and then it doesn't look like I have much after 395. I mean, like this whole area right here is what I would watch as well. Green again, this isn't a normal demand zone, it's going to be a support zone for me. But if we can open at 395, that would be perfect. Open at 395, get the tick rule, look for some calls, stop right below 395. That would be beautiful. Let's get this out to everybody. Give everybody a scenario for this. That's not what we wanted. Boom. How delayed is this stream? Or has it just got me playing like 5 minutes back? Good morning. You guys are close to your like goal. You guys need 36 more likes. 36. Super close. Bro, what is this stream doing? Hold on 1 second. There we go. Yep. All right, so SPY. Ideal scenario. We had a bunch of news that just dropped. Ideal scenario. We drop down towards 395 and hold as support in the pre-market. Yeah, we should get 300 likes. Again, if you guys are in here and are not in Team Bull, I do have a video on the tick. If you guys are not in Team Bull, I got the biggest discount that you guys are ever going to be able to get on the year. This is for monthly memberships and yearly memberships. So if you guys did want to try out Team Bull, make sure you guys stick around to the end of the stream because I'm going to be giving you guys some good discounts. 395 and hold as support in the pre-market. If that happens and we get a negative 1500 plus tick reading, I will look for calls to take. Team Bull is where I trade live and call out my signals and everything. No, it's not a scammy group. Me, J-Dun, Gino, Grizzly, all calling out our trades. I will look for calls to take it back into yesterday's low. I got discounts, like I said. Largest discount. Back into yesterday's low at 396.25. If we crack 395, we have a good chance of visiting. Yeah, GD is a little sus, I'll say that. 395, there's a good chance we see 394 to 392.5. Below there, my main bounce is 391.4. I will also look for refacts today. There we go. Long one on that SPY, but that's personally what I would prefer if we can hold 395. I know it's a little earlier, or I know it's a little early to decide. I've taken so many trades based off a tick. Let me see if I have a screenshot. I'll show it to you guys. I'm gonna show it. Hold on. Pretty sure I have a screenshot of a trade I've taken. Yes, I do. Okay, so with this trade, again, we had news, we sold off, and looking at the tick going into the open, what I like is to see us around pre-market lows. Again, I have a video of this. I think it's like I posted it 8 or 9 months ago or something like that. But we have news, we stay in the range, and we look at the tick, and the tick is down at negative 1500 or below negative 1500. This lets us know that there is a very high probability that we will get some kind of pump off the open to get the tick back to zero. Does that make sense? So in this scenario, we ended up dipping down. I don't remember exactly where I entered in this trade. I feel like I might have entered some here and then entered more here. But you can see we held that area. The stop loss was if we showed weakness below 348, never broke below it, and then we pumped all the way up into 350. So that's what I'm going to be watching for. Pretty much, I mean, if it opens at negative 1500 or below, there is a very high probability that we will continue to push up, because holding negative 1500 plus isn't normal unless like we're really selling. So there is SPY. Let's get on over to QQQ. It's already 8:45. Jeez, hold on. Let's speed this up. QQQ demolished that zone. I know some people are about to absolutely print today because I know some of you swung some puts. You crazy. Anyways, let's see. I'm pretty sure we broke this zone. What is this level at? Delete this daily demand because I do not care about it. 289. What are we trading at? 29131. Yeah, it depends on how we open. But my ideal scenario with this SPY, again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. You guys are super close to 200 likes. You need 3 more. Ideal scenario, we hold 395. We come down, we test it, Stop loss 394.6, 394.7. So all we need to do is hold this range. Going back to QQQ, again, we have a level down at 289 that I am very interested in. If we can get down there, down to a 4 hour. Yeah, 289 is the main area I'm interested in. Also, this 29250 is a pretty big level. Resistance. Premarket low. Boom. QQQ. Yeah, the ticket's goated. QQQ looking for the same situation. Hold pre-market lows with negative tick for a push into yesterday's low and a possible reject. If we crack 291, we could see 290, then main bounce 289 to 289.10. 289.10. I think that's a picture of QQQ. Hopefully it is. Yes. Okay. So that's literally going to be my main watch today. Exactly what I just ran over with you guys. Oh, they dropping it? All right. I got the discount codes. You guys ready? Hold on. Let me get it for you guys. Hold on. I got to get the Team Bull website real quick. All right, you guys ready? I got the discounts. So, if you want to do the monthly membership in Team Bull, it is going to be 50% off your first month for any new members. And again, this is never happening. Again, never happening again. So if you guys want the 50% discount of your first month, here is the link, and then use discount code WEALTHY in all caps. WEALTHY. That'll give you 50% off your first month. Now, if you guys want the yearly, you can get $400 off the yearly membership. So here's the link for that. If you use the discount code INVEST, you will get $400 off of the yearly membership. So for the ones who have not joined Team Bull, have not traded live with us, you've been thinking about joining, now is the time to join. Try it out. Those are the largest discounts that we are ever going to give. So come join the squad. Again, if you want the monthly, here's the link. The discount code is WEALTHY, 50% off your first month. If you want the yearly, here's the link for that. And the discount code is going to be INVEST for $400 off your first month. Or not your first month, your first year. $400 your first year. So, boom, boom. We call all of our trades live in voice in real time. Boom. It's limited. It's only today. Once they sell out, they sell out. I mean, for the people in Team Bull, let everybody know how you're liking Team Bull. I know we got a ton of Team Bull people in here, so let them know in the chat. Let them know. At the same time, we are going to get this watch list rolling. Let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Boom. Again, let them know. For the people in Team Bull, I know you guys are in here. Show your love. Let's see. Watch list. There it is. Apple. Let's start with Apple. Let's see, 147. Honestly, Apple's looking pretty weak. I think if we crack that 146, we could go lower. AMD still haven't filled that gap. I'm still very interested in this. If we could break 78, yeah. Let's see. If we crack 70, get out of here with this. If we crack 78, I'd be interested. You're an OG, my man. Let's go. Amazon breaking below 61.8. Not really interested. No, there's no delay of 15 minutes. No delay. It's all live. It is all live. Boeing, I mean, honestly, 200 might be a nice bounce. More interested in spying QQQ, though. So you guys can watch 200 if you want. Let's see. Baba Coin, don't really care about. Microsoft, we got a nice 4-hour squeeze here. Trading at the lows. 250, I would have liked to watch that for a bounce. Live voice every day. Trades called live for many analysts. I think we got like 8 or 9, maybe even more than that. Let's see. This is the first time I've ever promoted Team Bull in the live stream. Just an FYI. I say if you want to come join us, but it's very rare that I promote it because I get on here live every single morning, 8 a.m. and just give you guys completely free education. So keep that in mind. I've been doing this for over like 1.5 to 2 years of live streams for free. Keep that in mind. But NVIDIA went right up and hit that supply. So no, I don't do live streams just to sell memberships for the person who was asking. PayPal don't really care about. QQQ. Only reason I'm doing it today, again, is because we got those discounts. We already got that QQQ. Don't care about any of this. Really just Tesla. Let's see. I mean, you could try. I don't know. Try it. Boom, boom. Oh, you guys got the new little bull icon next to your name. I just saw that. That's dope. Yeah, yesterday, I'm you gotta keep in mind, bro. I'm going through buying a house and trying to do my taxes and like a million other things at once. I got a lot going on right now. Plus Grizzly's absolutely killing it. So I'm letting him shine. I'm letting him just absolutely crush the market. But you guys know, I've shown time and time again that we find tops and bottoms. Real-time data. Let's see, Tesla. Really not even interested in Tesla. I mean, maybe if we came down to this trend line right here, but again, we have that head and shoulders that we talked about yesterday. So shoulder, head, shoulder. Here's our neckline. Maybe down at like 192. I don't know. 192.6. The code isn't working. Did you try it? Did it sell out? Again, it's wealthy for the monthly. And then it is invest for the yearly. But yeah, Logan, everything's good now. Everything's out of the way. I finished everything yesterday. Got a much clearer head. And I'm ready to crush it today. Absolutely ready to crush it. But yeah, I think, you know, if there was an area to watch, it would be Tesla 192. Just Head and Shoulders, and we break. Honestly, SPY and QQQ, those are just my favorites. Again, I ran this scenario, so horns. Everything I am watching today, I'm locked in and ready to crush it. Cool. So yeah, again, the scenarios today, let's do NQ as well while we're just chilling on here. NQ, actually getting really close to that level. Hold on. Where did that level come from? All right, so we're breaking below these lows right there. That was strong support. Here's today's low. Taking basic fibs, pivot low, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. 61.8. I'm going to be interested to see how we traded that area. It just looks like we didn't really react too much, that 50%. So going to be a little cautious. Let me go back to the daily, see if we have any demand zones way down there. 4 hour, boom. Oh yeah, this is the zone that I've been watching. No, not that one. Price level. What is this? 4 hour demand. On the right, boom. No, we want to change this. Green. And again, you guys are going to get the watch list here in a minute. Going a little over today because we had some issues earlier in the stream. Nice 4 hour squeeze on NQ as well. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Let's see how we react when we get down to this area. Hopefully we can just hold around this pre-market low. I'd be really interested. And just give everybody my NQ level as well. NQ main. I'll drop it again here in the chat in a second. Main bounce area is at 11935.5 to 11929.5. Cool. All right, so again, before I drop the watch list in the chat, today is the only day to get the Team Bull discount. So if you guys want to get the monthly discount 50% off, use this link right here and use the discount code INVEST. That'll get you 50% off your first month. And then if you guys want to get the yearly, oh wait, no. Hold on. My bad. Use that link and use, hold on. Now I mixed up the memberships. Wealthy. Use discount code WEALTHY for the 50% off your first month. And then if you want the yearly $400 off, use discount code INVEST. There we go. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. So those are the discounts. Let's get you guys the watch list. Again, very easy today. Very easy on the watch list. Going to keep it basic. Hit you guys with SPY. Boom. Oh, wait. Hold on. This is a lot longer than I thought it was. Copy. Boom. There we go. There's SPY. QQQ. And then let's see. Where's my ES levels? Oh yeah, ES. And here's NQ. Now keep in mind also, this plan is not set in stone. I think I just said that correctly, hopefully. Things change throughout the market, right? This is just ideally what I'm looking for, right? So the market could just pump today. If the market pumps, then and if it's showing strength to the upside, then I'm going to look for calls. But I'm also going to be watching for rejects. So this is just the plan that I have right now, and then we're going to go from there. But yeah, if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll be calling out my live trades today. Jadon's going to be calling out his live trades today. Grizzly's going to be calling out his live trades today. But yeah, we are absolutely going to run it up today. I'm ready to print. I'm locked in, and we're going to have the best day of the week is going to be today. So I wish everybody the best. Let's run it up. I hope you're all able to make money. And also make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Answer any questions you guys got. Plus, I have over 1,000 free videos on my channel. So if you guys are not subscribed, you are definitely missing out. Hold on, look at this. Videos, 1,000 of them for completely free. So make sure you guys hop in, subscribe to the channel. Channel members, as always, I greatly appreciate you guys. And yeah, I wish everybody the best today. So if you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-15 minutes. And yeah,